Today, we're diving into a field that's growing faster than ever: agriculture. Stick around as we explore 5 mind-blowing agricultural business ideas that are changing the game. First up, vertical farming. Growing crops indoors, stacked in layers, using hydroponics or aeroponics. It saves space and uses 95% less water than traditional farming. Sustainable and efficient. Next, aquaponics. Raising fish and plants together. Fish waste feeds the plants, and the plants clean the water. Eco-friendly and innovative. Drone farming is our third idea. Drones monitor crops, apply water, fertilizers, and detect diseases. High-tech farming at its best. Fourth, edible insects. A sustainable protein source needing minimal space and resources. From cricket bars to mealworm snacks, it's a future business. Lastly, agri-tourism. Combining agriculture with tourism. Visitors experience farm life, pick fruits, pet animals, and stay on farms. It's fun and educational. And there you have it, 5 mind-blowing agricultural business ideas that are not only innovative, but also have the potential to make a significant impact on our world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for notifications on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.